at a cafe. The roles: there is a waiter, customer 1, customer 2, and customer 3. Waiter: hello, welcome to our cafe. Customer 1: hello. Waiter: what would you like to drink? Customer 1: I would like tea, please. Customer 2: I would like Turkish coffee. Customer 3: I would like milk. Waiter: would you like something to eat? Customer 2: yes, I would like a chocolate cake. Customer 1: no, thank you. Waiter: okay, please wait a moment. Few minutes later: waiter, here you are. Customers: thank you. Customer 3: this is very nice. Waiter: I'm happy you like it. Customer 1: can we have the bill, please? Waiter: of course.